Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Binary Sudoku, Binary number 2 in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 7th, 2020. Yes, the second binary will be number 1712. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Yes. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. And we have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And now I need to compare. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I need to compare. Let me see. Which number, which column or which row do I need to pick? I think the row. I need to compare the rows. Do I have here? Yes, this one and that one. 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 4 0, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Finish in 4 minutes. Oh, right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the 2 tectonics. See you later. Bye bye for now.